Ready to uncover hidden treasures? Metal detecting has become one of the most exciting hobbies, turning ordinary walks into thrilling adventures. Today we're revealing the top 5 metal detectors that will transform you into a successful treasure hunter. Number 5. Starting our countdown at number 5 is the Golden Metal Detector GTX 4030, the perfect entry point for treasure hunting families. This detector stands out because it's genuinely designed for both adults and children, making it an incredible investment for family bonding time. What makes this model special is its user-friendly interface that doesn't compromise on performance. The specialized golden detection coil is optimized for finding valuable targets. Whether you're searching for coins at the park or exploring historical sites, the ergonomic design ensures comfortable extended use, and the intuitive controls mean even beginners can start finding treasures on their first outing. Parents love how this detector grows with their kids, providing years of educational outdoor fun. The lightweight construction prevents fatigue during long treasure hunting sessions. For those ready to start their detecting journey with a reliable option, check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4, we have the Professional Metal Detector, a serious tool for serious treasure hunters. This detector is engineered specifically for underground treasure detection, making it perfect for those who want to go beyond surface finds. The advanced discrimination technology helps you distinguish between valuable targets and common junk, saving hours of digging time. What really sets this model apart is its exceptional depth penetration, allowing you to discover treasures that other detectors simply miss. The precision pinpointing feature ensures you know exactly where to dig, minimizing unnecessary excavation. The rugged construction withstands harsh conditions, from rocky terrain to dense forests. Many users report finding coins and relics buried for decades. The adjustable sensitivity settings let you customize performance based on soil conditions. This detector transforms casual hobbyists into confident hunters. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Coming in at number 3 is the GTX 5030 Lightweight Metal Detector, the ultimate combination of power and portability. The 20-centimeter large coil is a game-changer, providing superior ground coverage and deeper detection than standard coils. This means fewer passes over the hunting ground and more treasures discovered. The lightweight design is crucial for those marathon treasure hunting sessions where other detectors would leave you exhausted. The ground balance control automatically adjusts to different soil mineralizations, ensuring optimal performance whether you're searching beaches, parks, or mountainous terrain. The ergonomic handle features comfortable grip padding that reduces hand fatigue. The compact design makes it easy to transport to different hunting locations. The visual display provides clear target information for smart digging decisions. This detector excels at finding jewelry, coins, and relics in all terrain. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, claiming the silver medal. At number 2 is the Golden Digger Metal Detector, a feature-packed powerhouse delivering professional results. The 12-inch search coil provides the perfect balance between depth and target separation, making it incredibly effective in trashy areas where other detectors struggle. The advanced LCD display is what makes this detector truly special. This crystal-clear screen shows real-time information about target depth, metal type, and signal strength, taking the guesswork out of treasure hunting. The adjustable stem fits users of all heights perfectly. This unit performs beautifully across different environments, from sandy beaches to mineralized mountain soil. The discrimination modes let you filter unwanted metals, focusing on valuable finds like gold jewelry and silver coins. Beginners love the intuitive controls, while professionals appreciate the advanced features that rival expensive models. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. And here it is, our number 1 pick, the GTX 5030 Underground Metal Detector. This detector has earned the top spot through proven performance and incredible versatility. The specialized copper and iron detection capability allows you to target valuable metals while ignoring aluminum trash. This full metal mode ensures you never miss valuable targets in heavily hunted areas. The portable design means you can take this detector anywhere, from urban parks to remote sites. What makes this exceptional is its consistent performance across all soil types. The precision targeting helps locate items with pinpoint accuracy, reducing digging time. Users consistently find valuable coins, jewelry, and relics other detectors missed. The intuitive controls mean you'll find treasures within minutes. The outstanding durability ensures years of reliable use. This detector pays for itself with your first significant find. Check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.